Okay, I think we finally cracked the code here why them people use orange RTV. Seriously, I think we got this. So after neglecting the machine for maintenance and stuff, they finally remove the cover and they see the O-ring is flattened to basically nothing. So they realize that, gee, it's not gonna seal, probably gonna leak. So instead of, going out and getting the new O-ring, they just use some RTV. And guess what they have? They only have orange RTV. So they must go like, okay, let's make this as ugly as possible. Okay, let's use this orange RTV and call it a day.